DM Plumbing and Heating are experts in all aspects of plumbing, gas, boilers and central heating for domestic properties. Here there are no problems, just solutions. We're experts in plumbing and heating, kitchens, bathrooms, heating systems, service and repair, and much more. We provide a professional service using quality materials that have proven highly efficient hard wearing and great value for money. We will offer a first-class after-sales service to maintain smooth running efficiency of your heating and plumbing systems. Call us now to find out more.